Welcome to our Wood and Metal Crafts and Project Ideas channel, where craftsmanship meets creativity and every design inspires you to turn imagination into meaningful, income-ready creations. This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of wood craft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. Today we are talking about something deeper than just woodworking techniques. We are exploring unique woodcraft ideas that transform skills into income. Because there is a major difference between having skill and turning that skill into steady, reliable earnings. Many talented woodworkers remain hobbyists not because they lack ability, but because they lack strategic direction. They build what they like, instead of building what the market wants. If you want your workshop to generate income, you must think beyond tools and techniques. You must think like a designer, a problem solver, and a business-minded creator. The good news is this: wood is one of the most versatile and profitable materials available. It can be shaped into art, furniture, home decor, storage solutions, and statement pieces that customers are willing to pay for. In this video, we will explore powerful, practical, and highly marketable woodcraft ideas that can help you transform your creativity into income. These ideas are not random. They are based on strong demand, emotional appeal, and real-world usability. Let's begin shaping income from imagination. One of the most accessible and profitable starting points is small sculptural home decor. These pieces require less material, less time, and can sell quickly because they are affordable for buyers. Think about handcrafted wooden candle holders with flowing curves, layered spiral forms, or minimalist geometric shapes. These are small items, but when designed uniquely, they create strong visual impact. Customers often purchase them as gifts, which increases sales opportunities. Wall art made from layered wood is another powerful income generator. By cutting thin layers into abstract wave patterns or organic flowing forms and stacking them, you can create dimensional wall pieces that look modern and expensive. Wall decor is always in demand because homeowners frequently update walls without replacing furniture. This means repeat buyers. Functional wooden phone stands and desk organizers also sell consistently when crafted creatively. Instead of basic rectangular holders, design curved or sculptural shapes. A layered wood desk organizer with compartments for phones, pens, and notebooks appeals to professionals working from home. When functionality meets aesthetics, perceived value rises. Floating wooden shelves with artistic brackets are simple yet profitable. Rather than using plain metal supports, design curved wooden brackets or sculptural layered sides. These shelves can be sold individually or in sets, increasing average order value. Since nearly every home uses shelves, demand remains strong. Another strong category is personalized wooden signs. Custom name plaques, family name boards, or inspirational quote signs attract customers looking for meaningful gifts. The personalization element increases emotional attachment. Emotional products often sell faster because buyers feel connected to them. Let's move into furniture ideas that transform higher skill levels into higher income. Sculptural side tables are excellent examples. A twisted wooden base supporting a simple round top can command premium pricing. The key is creating a distinctive silhouette. If your table looks different from what buyers see in large retail stores, you reduce competition. Layered plywood coffee tables are also powerful income pieces. By stacking curved layers, you create movement and texture. Once you perfect the template, you can reproduce the design efficiently. Repetition improves speed and increases profit margin. Entryway benches with hidden storage are highly marketable. Every home needs seating and storage near the entrance. If you design a bench with a lift-up seat and smooth curved sides, you combine practicality with elegance. Customers value multifunctional pieces, especially in smaller homes. Wooden mirrors with handcrafted frames offer strong sales potential. A round mirror framed with layered wave patterns or organic carved details transforms a simple mirror into statement decor. Since mirrors visually enlarge spaces, they are both decorative and functional. Dining tables with unique bases can significantly increase income. Instead of traditional straight legs, design sculptural supports using curved laminated wood or intersecting geometric forms. Even if the tabletop remains simple, a creative base elevates the entire piece. Another idea is modular wooden plant stands. Indoor plants are extremely popular, and creative plant stands can sell quickly. Design tiered stands with curved supports or minimalist flowing shapes. Because plant decor trends continue to grow, these pieces maintain steady demand. Children's wooden furniture is another promising income stream. Small desks, toy storage boxes, or rounded stools designed with soft curves and safe edges appeal to parents. When you emphasize safety and craftsmanship, you build trust with families. Let's discuss market positioning. Unique woodcraft sells best when it tells a story. Customers want to know how it was made, what inspired it, and what materials were used. Storytelling builds brand value. If buyers feel connected to your process, they become loyal supporters rather than one-time customers. Another profitable direction is wooden lighting fixtures. Handcrafted pendant lights with wooden slat designs create beautiful shadows. Lighting pieces combine art and function, allowing you to charge premium prices. Compact desks for home offices remain in strong demand. Many people work from home and want inspiring environments. Unique woodcraft ideas have the power to transform your workshop into a source of steady income. When you combine originality, functionality, and strong presentation, your skills become profitable assets. Start small if necessary. Experiment with decor pieces. Refine your style. Expand into furniture as confidence grows. Always think about the buyer's needs and emotional response. Your craftsmanship is more than a hobby. It is potential. It is opportunity. It is a pathway toward independence and creative fulfillment. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video. So if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching. And remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.